Good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are safe and good. Today's our topic is parts of the brain. Take out your books, open page number 3, we will read parts of the brain. The human brain is divided into 3 main parts, the cerebrum, the cerebellum and the medulla or brainstem. Different parts of the brain do different jobs. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It is divided vertically into 2 halves. The right half of the cerebrum controls the left side of the body, and the left half of the cerebrum controls the right side of the body. This is the picture of the human brain. This largest part is called cerebrum. This lower part is called medulla or brainstem, and this part is called cerebellum. This is the picture of the brain. This part is the left half of the cerebrum. It controls the right side of our body. This part is the right half of the cerebrum. It controls the left side of our body. Cerebrum. The cerebrum controls your voluntary actions. Voluntary actions mean done or acting of one's own free will. It controls our voluntary actions like thinking, feelings, decision making, reading, listening, seeing, and the ability to differentiate between taste and smell. It enables you to touch and feel the texture of things. It also enables you to remember things. Medulla or brainstem. The lowest part of the brain is called the brainstem or medulla. It controls involuntary actions. Involuntary means done without will. It controls involuntary actions such as breathing, digesting, and the beating of heart muscles. When the rest of the brain goes to sleep, the medulla keeps working. The third part is cerebellum. The cerebellum is located below the cerebrum and above the medulla. Its function is to control the balance and movement of muscles and joints. It helps you to run, walk, jump, and do many physical activities in which the muscles are involved. Physical means bodily. Cerebrum. It controls your voluntary actions like thinking, feeling, decision making, reading, listening, seeing. It enables you to remember things. Medulla or brainstem. It controls involuntary actions like breathing, the beating of heart, digesting, healing or circulating of our blood. Cerebellum. It controls the balance and movement of muscles and joints like run, walk, jump. New words. Voluntary. It means done or acting of one's own free will. Involuntary. It means done without will. Physical. It means bodily. Decision. It means commitment or conclusion. This is your first activity. Write the names of the parts of brain and their functions. Your home activity. Draw the diagram of brain and its parts and label it. Thank you students. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.